Hey guys, this is Talking Guest 13 here, and today I'm about to do a video on how to clean your PS4 without having to take it apart. So here we're going to start how to clean it. Make sure you have a brush. This video is about cleaning the vents without even taking it apart. So we're going to put it right there. First thing you're going to do is put this cable away carefully. So make sure you get some of the dust out. Do it sideways, don't shove it in, just sideways. Sideways always works. Oh yeah, be careful to not turn on your PS4 accidentally. So right there, we have the first little vent clean. And make sure none of your hairs spawn. So what you can do is clear this from dust. Now you want to carefully turn the PS4. Clean it sideways. There. Now for the now the same with the other side. Same with the other side. You clean it. Watch out you don't stick it in. Just there we go. Now if you're like me that wants to clean everything. Now for some reason my PS4 just has paint particles for everywhere. So now you're gonna put it like that. Now you're gonna mine has paint particles, I don't know if you guys see them. But if you guys really want to clean, I don't want to take the risk of taking it apart and messing something inside. So now it's for the light. Easy like that. Now just check you got every dust particle out. And there you have a clean PS4. Now if you guys want to see more cleaning methods, you can go like and subscribe, comment, and think what else you want. So yeah, goodbye.